loose on Sodor. Oh no! He's putting trees on the track. Watch out, Percy. Let's hope your brakes are strong enough. Ooh, just about. Oh, watch out! Oh no. Quick, someone help Percy. Go on, Thomas. Nicely cleared, Thomas. Where did the Moorbook go? Asked Thomas. I don't know, replied Percy. I'll get him, said Thomas, and off he went, in search of the Moorbook. Uh-oh. He's too strong for you, Thomas. Oh no, he's got you too. Who can help? I can, said Spencer, and he rushed on over. Watch out, Spencer. It's made a huge snowball. Uh-oh. Oh dear. Luckily, Graham Burns was nearby and has an idea. He could sneak up on him from below. He got into his drill machine. He put it into position, turned it on, and started drilling. He kept on drilling until he was directly below the Moorbook. Perfect shot, said Graham. But where did the Moorbook go? Oh, there it is. It's really stuck in the snow. I don't think he's going anywhere anytime soon, said Graham. The digging rigs then arrived to put Thomas and Percy back on the track. It didn't take them long. Thank you, Chomper and Buster, said Thomas and Percy. No problem, they replied. And thank you, Graham, said Spencer. Oh, happy to help. Just keep a close eye on the Moorbook, he replied. So the trains thanked Graham again and agreed to make sure that the Moorbook didn't move a muscle. Hi, I'm Dave, and thanks for watching my video. Here's another you may have missed.
It was Thomas and Percy's day off from their normal duties, and they were going to visit the new Spiral Tower racetracks to race their mini-me's. That means the smaller versions of themselves which they were towing behind them. When they got to the new tracks, they unloaded their mini-me's. "I'll race you down," said Percy. The mini-me's got into position at the top of the spirals and off they went. "I won," said Percy. "No, you didn't," said Thomas. "I did." Well, the replay showed that Thomas just won, but I think he started first. It didn't really matter because they had a good time and kept racing. Then they heard another engine approaching. It was Diesel. He too had a day off and had brought his mini-me to race. "Okay, Steamies," said Diesel. "I'll show you how to race." And he unloaded his mini-me. They all got into position and were off. Oh dear, Diesel's mini-me wasn't very good, and Thomas and Percy beat him easily. Diesel practiced a bit more. "Why don't we stack the tracks on top of each other?" said Percy. "Brilliant idea," said Thomas, and they did. "Wow! We can't race each other now, but this is going to be so much fun," said Percy. Thomas went first. Then Percy. Then Diesel. Then they all went together. They had so much fun they wanted to fetch their friends. They left their mini-me's at the track and departed. Word spread about the fun track and others arrived. And by the time the engines were back, there were lots of characters wanting to join in the fun. Diesel was the last one to arrive with Diesel 10's mini-me. They all took it in turns to come down the spiral track. It wasn't a race, but who do you think was the fastest? And who was your favourite? Let us know in the comments. You can also tell us who else you would like to see racing.